Hi friends and family, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and I do unboxing for subscription boxes and bags, as well as mystery boxes if I can catch them, and they are available. If you are interested, I would love for you to join me, and please know that I also have Instagram that I do a lot of swatches for makeup palettes and the items that we get in the subscription boxes. So today we are going to be doing Live Glam. So Live Glam is a what is it? Lippie. It's a Lippie collection. You get 3 items for $19.99 a month. It's not a huge savings. However, it's decent. I think regular price is between $7 and $14 per item. So it is still a good idea. It's still a good deal. I love this because, one, you get to up your lip selection and collection. Sometimes they do have a combo of Lippies, lipstick bullets, scrubs, lip liners. It just depends on what that month's theme is and what you get. What else is there? Also, you can swap it. You can either swap the whole collection for a different collection or previous collection, or if there's just one color you don't like, you can swap that one out and keep the other part of the collection. So I like that, they're flexible enough to let you do that. They do also have a brush club and a eyeshadow club, which I don't get, but very beautiful items, and I believe they're Morph brushes. So anyway, after all of those announcements, let's go ahead and get started. So you always get this beautiful little satin bag, and then you also get a little card with a theme. Oh, and I did forget to mention that this is February's collection. I know that we're in March, but again, I'm not sponsored, or I don't receive PR. So I get these when they ship them out to everybody else, us regular people. So I do get it shipped out to me on the 21st of the month. So I did just get it this last week. So anyway, I hope you can get past the fact that it's a little late, because it is what it is, but you do get this cute little card. So it looks like February's theme was Wild Love, and they do always do the collection in these cool, like, whatever the theme is. So like wild, obviously it's animal print kind of a thing, and then you get the colors on the back, the names of what you can expect to see. So yeah, so what I do is I do the swatches, and then I will put it on thy lips. So we're getting up a little close and personal this video. Alrighty, so look how pretty. They're always so adorable and cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. And it is such a beautiful Valentine color. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this first one here. It's like it's more of a nude brown color. It's called Tigress. You were born to roar. Let your heart skip a beat with this effortless deep brown nude shade. Okay, and then I will always show you the applicator. They are generally the same. I have not seen a different type of applicator, but I still like to show it. Anyway, these are usually matte. Sometimes we have a something else variation. They dry really nice, and they do not smear. So there's that beautiful color, and let me go ahead and put it on the lips. So if I get it outside the lines, it's just makeup. We're gonna survive. It's gonna be okay. I mean, if it's on my teeth, well then bummer, it's embarrassing. Okay, anyway, here we go. Let's do this. And it's not the most perfect because I'm just trying it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. My dog thought I was talking to her. I don't know if you heard her. She jumped right on up. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Again, fast drying on the lips. It doesn't smear. I have been able to like eat dinner and still have some on with very little touch up. It does last for quite a while. And it's not, it doesn't suck you dry, so your lips do feel moisturized. So I don't know if you can see, like, it really did not, I mean, it came off a tiny bit, but you know, it's still, like I said, it dries real fast and it's real nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and wipe that off and we'll go to the next color. So I know I say this all the time, I don't really edit my videos because it's hard. I don't quite know, I don't know the stuff, so just bear with me. Okay, so we're gonna do this next color is called Exotic. It looks like a pink color. Kind of matches my nails. So this one is called Exotic. This one's for the heartbreakers. Wear this dusty rose shade for a night on the prowl. Rawr. I know it's cheesy. Don't judge, okay? All right, we're just having fun. All right, applicator. And let's see this beautiful, ooh. That is very nice. Looks like ice cream. Okay. Let me get a little on thy lips. Ooh. Oh, very pretty. Now this is a color I probably would darken with a lip liner. But it is very gorgeous. It's a very like neutral color. I think it goes with the eye look that I have on today. It goes really pretty with dark colored hair. Again, I think just a little bit of a darker lip line color would be stunning, and it would definitely be a night on the prowl for, you know, that fun friskiness. Kiss the boys and make them cry. Okay, I'm joking. All right, so that one's very pretty. So far, I'm loving this. And the March collection, oh my gosh, so I'm so excited. It looks so spring and so like vacation ready and spring fever. Oh, I can't wait to get that one. But we'll be reviewing that in April. I already know. Okay. All right, last one is this beautiful color here. It is also a pink color, but it looks more of a mauve. Why is my camera not wanting to pick this up? Come on, there we go. This one's more of a mauve pink, and this one is called Wild Thing. Get 'em, Tiger. This Lippie's Pinky Plum vibrant finish is a love story that never ends. Aw, that's so beautiful. I have a love story that hasn't ended, and I'm happy about that. Okay, I always got something to say. All right, here is thy applicator again. Let's go ahead and put that on thy lips. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to swatch it. All right, let's go ahead and swatch while we're letting that dry. Ooh. Okay, very pretty. Oh, look at those three colors. Oh, I love it. I would say this one is probably my favorite out of this collection. It goes very pretty. Again, it looks really good with the dark hair, with the purple liner or eyeshadow. Very gorgeous. Again, It's already dry, but not drying on the lips. So I like that. Let's go ahead and do the recap. So let's go ahead and see all 3 colors here and the colors here. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? I loved them. This was a really nice collection. I love it. Good quality, always great, always fun. You do also earn points for reviewing your items, and then you can put that, they have a little, you know, shop where you can apply your points to however many items you qualify for. They have brushes and eyeshadow in there as well. So yeah, if you are interested in this, they are headquartered out of LA. Definitely, I believe they are even American made, so that's always good. If you haven't subscribed or you are subscribed, let me know what you think down below in the comments. And also follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link below so that you can sign up if you are interested. I don't know if I receive points or not. It's always hard to tell. That they say that you do, but I don't always actually see it in my account. So I don't know. I don't do this for that. I just totally do it because I have fun. I get a lot of makeup subscriptions, like I'm addicted to it, and I totally just do it for fun. I do it so that I can get ready because I work from home. My kids are homeschooled, and I kind of like that schedule, but I don't go out and do stuff. So this is my reason to like share with you guys and have fun and just, you know, have that conversation for myself and for you guys. So anyway, enough rambling on. I do that. I talk a lot. I'm a shy person at first, and then I just talk forever and ever. But anyway, I would like for you to consider being part of my friends and family. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in our next video. Have a great, wonderful rest of your week, and we'll see you. Bye!